Let's do a quick run through of this song, and here's the order that we're gonna do. And we'll do the first verse, a chorus, straight into the solo, last verse, last chorus, and then the outro. I'll do the triplets rhythm, but you play what you're comfortable with.
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All my loving I will send to you. All my loving, darling, I'll be true. All my loving, all my loving, all my loving, I will send to you.
So what I would recommend now is do this song again, keep playing it, have a really good go at it, and then try these songs here. Thanks for watching, happy strumming, and I'll see you there.